Hi everyone, I want to just show you this simple little lined mani that I created. There's nothing fancy or too meticulous to do. It's just something very easy and simple to do to turn your mani into something special. These are the following items I will be using. Now I am just loving this pure ice base and top coat. I am just ecstatic. I'm just wanted to show you this polish and how beautiful it is. Clean it up. Had to get my stick out and clean that up. But I wanted to show you how beautiful this polish really is. I've had it for quite some time. I got it from Sally's a while ago. Now I'm going to cap my free edge, getting it all over my fingers, but I'll clean it up. And I hardly ever used it, and the reason being is because I'm not a big fan of textured polishes. So when I bought it, I didn't realize it was textured, but it was just so pretty in the bottle. So I just wanted to let you see how it applies. It applies very well, actually, but look at all of that glitter. Those micro glitters. Oh, it is so pretty. It's just like a glow ball. But look, see how textured it is? And when it dries matte and textured. So I'm not a big fan of that. But this is how it looks all on its own. It's okay, but I'm just not a fan of textured polish. So I'm going to put the quick dry top coat on. Look at that. Look at the magic appear when I put that top coat on. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It just brings that mani to life. It really does, that top coat. So that's why I hadn't used it, but I'm focusing on, like I've seen a lot of other YouTubers trying to use some polishes that I don't normally use. But I just wanted to share this with you. Please let me know what you think of the mani. Like I said, it's very simple and easy, nothing too fancy smancy. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys be blessed, and remember to always allow the mani to take hold and watch the magic appear. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, and now don't forget, before you leave, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on your notification bell.